All right, what's going on YouTube? I'm just putting my gloves on. I'm gonna go for a ride. I have a really cool bike I want to show you that we just got in the inventory. I got my Honda gloves and I got my keys. Check it out. Candy blue. Let's see if you can read this. Candy blue CB750. Are you guys ready to go for a ride? Let's start her up. All right, check it out, YouTube. We have here one of my favorite Honda motorcycles, a CB750F inline 4-cylinder engine. What year is this? Let's see if I can find a sticker that tells me how old this bike really is. All right, I'm looking around. The tank is super nice, the plastics, the covers. It is an antique. Let's see, we got information right here on the tires, but I can't seem to find the sticker. I have a VIN number, but this is a 74. Is it a 74? It might be a 74. I might have to get back to you. If I'm not giving you the right number now, just in the description of the video, in the title, you will see. But usually there's a white sticker on here that says the year, but I'm pretty sure this is a 74. Don't quote me on that, I might be wrong. This might be a 77. All right, we're gonna start this bike up. If you've seen my other test ride videos, we always go for a 1 mile or a little bit over a mile test ride. Just putting the key in. This is a carbureted motorcycle. It does have a choke, so let's start her up. I was told she was already started. All right, this bike does have a new battery. Let's do a little walk around. So some cool features about this trade-in. Somebody traded it into our dealership. It already has decent tires. The tires are pretty new. It has a brand new battery. We just put new spark plugs and we rebuilt the carbs. But yeah, these tires look really good. Check out the exhaust. There's a little bump right here. You can see you have a passenger seat, passenger footrest. Your Honda logo is fading a little bit, but that's fine with age. All right. The seat is in very good condition. You have your RPMs and you have your speedometer. It has 30,000 miles. All right, let's give it a all right. Bike sounds very good. Let's check her out. This is a classic. This motorcycle was built like a tank back in the 70s. So far everything feels really, really good. I turned a turning signal on. The gears, she went into neutral with no problem. The RPMs are very good. I keep going up to 4,000 RPMs, between 3,000, 4,000. We did just rebuild the carbs on this. but everything's working as it should. It has a high beam, low beam. All right, she turned off on us. Let's see. Yeah, I have stalled a couple of motorcycles in my day. I wouldn't say, you know, of course I ride every day, but with these older motorcycles, you really just want to take it easy and enjoy the ride. We're not here to race. We're not here to go fast. We're here to just cruise and get around. But this is a great motorcycle if you plan on showing up here, you know, a small town event, if you just want to learn about older bikes. Pulling up here to another stop sign. Make sure everything works. Turning signal is on. We are in first gear and let's go. Just feeling out the rear brakes. They are very, very good. All right, we are in neutral. There is no real rust on these bikes. I always see them with a little bit of rust on the handlebars or maybe on some of these bolts or something. There's no real rust. I do see a little bit of water damage inside of the RPMs, but that's fine. Let's put our turning signal on. This bike has turning signals. They both work. It has a horn too. I'm gonna try it. Get ready. Once the light turns green. No, I'm kidding. If I honk the horn at somebody in front of me, they might think I'm trying to rush them, but let's see. Oh, I got the horn honked at me. Very cool, old lady. That lady was in a rush, man, across the street. All right, the horn doesn't work. It's being tested. I popped her into neutral. I'm gonna pull up here. Take a picture. Okay, ma? Gonna take a nice little picture, post her on the website, put her in the system, and of course upload this video to YouTube. But before we do that, check it out. This is where I like to park the bikes. Let's do one quick walk around of this. I think it's, I'll be honest, it's a 74 or it's a 77 CB750F in great condition. I gave her some gas. I got her up to 6th gear. You guys just saw the video. Here on the front fender, it does have 2 little bumps. That's not something to worry about. The seals here are very nice. There is no dirt anywhere on this motorcycle. There's a little rash here, a little scratch right there. Let me get that up close for you guys. But overall, this is a great looking motorcycle. The condition that it's in is very clean for the year, make, and model. If you guys have any questions or are interested in this motorcycle, what's up? You always want to contact me. It's Ed from JM Honda of Miami. You can leave your questions down in the comments. I answer those every single day. I upload videos Tuesday through Saturday. So watch out for new videos every week. And if you guys have any questions, leave them in the comments. Subscribe to the YouTube channel. Thank you guys for watching, and always ride Honda, ride red. Thanks for watching, guys.